Hi folks, and welcome to In the Kitchen with Pete. You know, my wife made mention to me the other day of all my videos, I've never done any salads. This afternoon we're hooking up with some friends and I'm to bring a salad. We want something nice, light, and fresh. Reminds me of summer. Well, it's a watermelon and mint and feta salad. If you haven't had it, it's outstanding. One of our favorites, simple, easy, fast to do. Let's get to it. For our dressing, we're going to add a 1/4 cup of olive oil and a tablespoon of red wine vinegar. Alternatively, you can use lemon or lime juice. The zest of 1 lemon, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and give it a good stir. We've got 3 cups of seedless watermelon diced up into 1-inch cubes, 1 cup of crumbled feta cheese, a 1/2 cup of chopped mint, a 1/2 cup of finely diced red onion, 1 cup of cucumbers diced into 1/2-inch cubes, and our dressing. Let's put this together. All the ingredients into a bowl, put the feta cheese in last, and then give it a gentle stir. You can let it chill in the fridge for about 10 minutes before serving. And that's it. Doesn't it look delicious? Well, it doesn't get much more easier than that. If you enjoy my videos, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, click the red subscribe button and you'll be notified every Monday when I put out a new video. Well, now I'm going to try this delicious salad. You know, this pairs well with chicken or seafood. Oh, man. Just packed with flavors. It does taste like summer. I hope you get a chance to try it. Thanks for coming out and watching In the Kitchen with Pete. Until next time, see ya.
Well, it's a high fashion gold sterling, waiting at the station for the next gravy train, and it easy living life the way I do.